Another example, example number 3. Where is the value of a is greater than 1? So the easiest way of solving this kind of quadratic equation is the AC method. So we have the equation 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation, the value of a is 6, b is 7, and c is 2. So multiply the value of a, where is 6, to the value of c, where is 2. Then we have x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So we need to factor the 12. So we have x plus 4 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to negative 4 and then x is equal to negative 3. So why we have 6 here? So we will put the a value on the denominator of these roots. So it will become x is equal to negative 4 over 6, or it will become x is equal to negative 2 over 3. And another one, we have x is equal to negative 3 over 6, where 6 is the value of a in the original equation. So we have negative 3 over 6 become x is equal to negative 1 half. Again, after getting the value of x or roots, we will proceed to checking. So we have the equation 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if x is equal to negative 2 over 3, then we have 6 times negative 2 over 3 squared plus 7 times negative 2 over 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have negative 2 times negative 2, we have 4, and 3 times 3, we have 9. Then we have 6 and 9, which is divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3, we have 2, and 9 divided by 3, we have 3. Minus 14 over 3. So where do we get negative 14? So 7 times negative 2. Then plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have 2 times 4, we have 8. And then over 3, minus 14 over 3 plus 2 equals 0. So negative 6 over 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. And then it will become negative 6 divided by 3, we have negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 equals 0. And another one, we have if x is equal to negative 1 half, then we will substitute to the original equation 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 equals 0. So we have 6 times negative 1 over 2 squared plus 7 times negative 1 over 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So again, we have negative 1 times negative 1, we have 1. 2 times 2, we have 4. And then 6 and 4 is divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. So minus 7. Where do we get negative 7? So 7 times negative 1 over 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have 3 times 1, we have 3 over 2 minus 7 over 2 plus 2 equals 0. So 3 minus 7, we have negative 4 over 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So negative 4 over 2, we have negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 0 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching and listening to my video.